Skillshare is for designers, photographers, marketers, artists, and lifelong learners. Skillshare is for foodies, commuters, risk takers, the young, and the young at heart. It's for strategists, free spirits, purists, the bold, the curious, the characters, the makers, and the breakers. Skillshare is for everyone, an online learning community with thousands of classes to advance your career, improve the world, and pursue the work you love. What will you learn next? It all starts on Skillshare.
One thing to remember is that no matter what your line of work, good writing is essential. There's an article I read recently about a would-be bank robber who entered a bank and handed the teller a note. Well, the teller couldn't read it. It was so garbled, so mixed up in its grammar and syntax, and that she had to call over the bank manager. And while she and the bank manager were puzzling over what the note said, the bank robber got cold feet and ran away, you see? So not a very successful business endeavor, is it? So no matter what your line of work, good writing is essential. Now, this is illustrated, oddly enough, even though this happened just recently. This is illustrated by a clip from a very old Woody Allen movie, a movie called Take the Money and Run. So we'll take a look at the clip here to just illustrate the point, okay?
Please put $50,000 into this bag and act natural. What's act?
Act.
Does this look like gub or gun?
Gun. See? But what's apt mean?
It's act. A-C-T. Act natural. Please put $50,000 into this bag. Act natural. It's not...
Oh, I see. This is a holdup.
Yes.
Maybe there's still somebody out there who thinks, I don't need to learn grammar. I want to be an enforcer for the mafia. But remember, even with the mafia, you're going to want to make offers they can't refuse, not offers they don't understand.